Hi, in this session we'll be discussing of relation function. What is a relation function? So if I have A and B are my two sets and we have defined a relation from set A to B. We have defined a relation from set A to B such that every element from set B, each and every element from set B has associate with only one element, in A. Then we can say this relation is a function, right? So what the definition says, if A and B are my two sets and I have given a relation from set A to B such that every element from set B is being associated with only one singleton element in A. So here we'll see an example. So I have an example of set A 1, 2 and 3. Set B has an elements A, B and C. Now I have defined a function such that my ordered pairs are 1A and 2B and 3C. Then I can say this is a function. So let us draw the diagram for my example. So this is set A and this is set B, right? This is set A and this is set B. So here in set A, what we have? The numbers 1, 2 and 3, right? This is my set A. What is my set B? Set B has A, B and C. This is my set B. And I have defined a relation. What is a relation? Relation is of each and every ordered pair having a relation from set A to B, like 1 to A and then from 2 to B and then from 3 to C. Now if you observe my set, I have each and every element from the set B is associated with only one element from A. Then I can say, yes, this relation is a function. So for example, if I have my sets like this, so my A set is 1, 2, 3, okay, and my B set is ABC, okay, and my ordered pair is, I am having my ordered pair like this. So I have defined a function with this ordered pair, right? Is a set of 1 is related with A and also 1 is related with B. Okay. Then my 2 is related with C. Then the element 3 is related with B. For example, I have an ordered pair or I have a relation like this. So this is elements belongs to my first set and the second elements belongs to my second set and my ordered pair are like this. Now if I draw the set diagram for this is my set A, right? And this is my set B. Okay, so this is my set B and this is my set A. Now let me match with the elements. So what I have, number 1, number 2 and number 3. And in set B you have A, you have B and of course you have C. Now how I have defined a relation, I have defined my relation with like this. 1 is connected with A, also 1 is linked with B and my 2 has linked with C and 3 is linked with B. Now if you observe the set A and the set B, so as per the definition, each and every element should have only one element should associate it with A. But here if you observe, the element A is associated with 1 as well as the element B is associated with 1. That means I am having the same element from A as well as B from the set B, which is wrong, So there should not be two arrows from the single set A to the second set B. There should not be two arrows from the first set A to the second set B. So if we have two arrows, that means if we have two inputs is associated with two same inputs, the same input is associated with two elements from the other set, then we cannot say this is a function, right? So this is not a function. Why? Because we are having the same element, so with two elements in B, so this is not a function. So we can say that every function has a relation, but every relation is not a function.